Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another RC car. As you can see, we did already unpackage and just gonna have a look since we are actually still on our, not so good format here. So I thought, why not just let that actually drive and check out how it performs and call that a day. So we are skipping the whole unboxing part here. And yeah, we'll see how this um, is going to perform. And let's turn that on and then check that out and see how this is doing, right? Yeah, so here's the car, made quite solidly, nothing to complain on that side. And then the remote here as well. You are going to connect that, and then as you can see, it is starting to move and to do its thing, which is, quite straightforward on that part and somewhat satisfying as well. And yeah, I would say we are trying to actually move around. As you can see, it is going quite fast. Like the design of this car as well. It's pretty, neat in my opinion. Can't really complain about that either. So yeah, I think we call it a day, and I will see you around in the next video. My name is Badger. Take care, you guys, and until the next time. Bye bye.